There's a simple and cool strategy online in order for you to get the money. So I'm going to lay you out step by step the full strategy, okay? And if you decide to follow the steps, just go easy with them, okay? I'm going to go easy with explanation so you can take it all in. Hit subscribe and let's go. Now, first of all, I want you to type me down in the comment section from which country are you coming from, okay? I want to make sure that everyone can use all of my strategies in future videos, all right? But with today's strategy, anybody can make money and anybody can join. So the first step is going over to this website. This website is called Perpetua.io, okay? So this website is allowing people to grow their sales on, for example, Amazon, Walmart, Instacart, Shopify. But don't worry, guys. You don't have to have a sale on Amazon or any of these. You don't have to have products and you don't have to be an Amazon seller. But it helps us, okay? It helps us to make money with this because, as you already know, there are a lot of Amazon sellers and they just get a lot of money on Amazon, right? They get a lot of money and they want to scale that business always, okay? They want to increase the sales every day. And basically, we're going to help people to sell like these laptops, to sell like computer accessories, to sell like, I don't know, maybe some wash machines, I don't know, some accessories, some tablets, any sort of product that has already been selling on Amazon. But how can we do it? Well, we can just use Perpetua.io. Now, we're going to recommend Perpetua to Amazon sellers, and they're going to be happily investing in this because this is such a good software. So just take a look at this. Pricing for this starter one is $250 per month. Okay, so this means, guys, that this is a professional tool for Amazon sellers, for example. And I tell that because there's a lot of money involved. For all of this money, they give you huge advantage, okay? So each one of these sellers would be actually happy to find this tool in order to help them, okay? They just don't know about it yet. This is so powerful because it is going to increase the sales of every person out there. You can find a lot of great reviews about Perpetua.com and you will see that it is really working, okay? For example, this Megan, she says nice words. She's using this and she gets a lot more sales. And they get organic sales. They don't just get like bot traffic or something like that. As you can see, they give superpowers to anyone that sells online, okay? They have SEO, they have a lot of experience, and they're really good. So what I want you to do when you come on Perpetua.io, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then I want you to click on this affiliate program. We're going to affiliate for this, and we are going to get a commission whenever someone buys this, okay? And there's good money in here because, as you can see in here, guys, you can get $2,000 every week, okay? Your success is our success, so there are no limits. $2,000, guys, each week. So that's $8,000 per month. That's a huge deal of money, guys, if you ask me. So that's really good. That's exactly why you should become Perpetua affiliate, okay? So $2,000 per week is actually possible. You get a commission for every report, okay? So it's really good, okay? So you get for each report. Then you get like some special deals, some special cookies as well, as I've told you. And of course, you just need to have a PayPal account. And of course, you'll get a lot of tools, okay? So you will get a lot of tools if you want to go and involve yourself with this one. So now that we have seen how much money we can get with this, go and apply to this. You just have to click on this button, apply now. Then complete some simple information about yourself and you are done. Now we can move on to the next step where we can actually attract the audience. And this is going to be the easiest way in which you can attract some audience to your affiliate link. So you can just go over to Google and you can just type in how to increase sales on Amazon. And now you just need to find certain article which is going to do it, okay? So for example, right away, you can just click on this one, 8 tips to increase Amazon sales in 2023. So what you can do is you can just read through this article, okay? Just make sure that it is good, it is not too long, okay? And now what we want to do is we want to make a video about this one. But don't worry, you don't have to make a video yourself. I've got a tool for that as well. It is called Lumen 5. Okay, lumen5.com is a video maker in your browser, which is going to do it all for you, okay? It is, of course, free. As you can see, you can just sign up for free, make yourself an account. It's going to be easy as well. And then you can just use Lumen 5 in order to make a video, because they have something which is called text to video, okay? So you can make text, and Lumen 5 is going to make a video which is going to revolve around that text that you input. And of course, we're just going to use this article that we have found for free on Google, right? That's going to be easy. Now, when you come inside, of course, you will have this editor in front of you. And trust me, guys, this is so easy to make, okay? You can just copy the text and you just paste it in this box in here. So let's actually try this one with this first paragraph. I suggest that you go paragraph by paragraph, because it can just be messy if you just paste the whole thing, okay? Don't paste the whole thing. Just go paragraph by paragraph and then just convert to video. This is an AI tool, okay? It's going to do the work for you, and you don't have to do anything at all. It's going to do all on its own. You have the title, you have a video, and you can, of course, add the music, okay? So when you're done with this, you just go and you take another paragraph, and of course, you do it for the whole article. You can exclude some sentences here and there if you don't want a longer video, but just make sure that you put in here all that you want inside, okay? And then, of course, you will just download this one by clicking on Publish button. And of course, the next thing is to go over to YouTube and to upload that video on YouTube. Now, of course, you don't need monetization on YouTube. You don't need monetized account. And you don't need a lot of views, guys. You only need like 2 or maybe 4,000 views, and you can imagine how many of those people are gonna convert, because this keyword that I have typed in, how to get more sales on Amazon, this is searched by people who only have Amazon seller account, okay? So no doctors here, okay? There's no people who are not interested. So only the people who are interested in Amazon sales, well, they will just tap this. So you will attract only those people. And of course, in the first link of your description on YouTube, you have to paste your affiliate link from Perpetua. And people are going to click on it, and a lot of them are going to convert. Okay, so you have to complete this strategy step by step, and you have to make this like easily. And then this video is going to stay on YouTube forever. And whenever someone searches for it, they will stumble upon your video and they will see the link in the description. You can write something like, here's the best tool which you can use. And of course, a lot of them are going to click on it. And in the end, you will get a lot of money from Perpetua, guys. Maybe you can scale it to $2,000 per week. So go and do it, guys, and I'll catch you.